Today's strategy is going to be easy, but you have to invest a bit of your time, okay? Nothing is going to come on its own. Just watch the video, follow the steps, and of course, hit that subscribe. Thank you. Now, today we're going to use Copymatic.ai, and if you haven't heard about this one, well, you were missing out on a lot. Now, this is really cool. I mean, the technology has gone so far with this. I mean, this is going to write everything for you, okay? So if you have maybe some blog posts or maybe some article needs to be written, well, this is going to do all the work for you. It's going to be all automatically done because they have this AI bot, and you can find a lot of information on this video. Even this girl is AI. Can you believe this? Now, this girl doesn't exist. It's an AI, and she's talking to us, and she's also writing the articles. Well, it's not her, it's her brother, AI brother. So what do you have to do on Copymatic is that you can just click on this start writing for free. Just click on it, and of course you can just sign up with Google. You don't have to make yourself an account. It is going to be easy. Now we move on to the next step, and you're going to be amazed. When you get inside the Copymatic, and you will see that you have received 1.5 thousand free credits. I'm going to talk about these credits later. You don't have to bother right now. Now, what do you want to do? You want to select, you want to go, and you want to write a long form article, okay? That's going to be 1,000 plus words. Now, you can click on it, and then you can just start writing with this one. And if you want to get yourself article generator, you can just click on this. But if you want to get with blog posts, I suggest because they're way easier to sell. Just click on blog post writer, and the next thing that you have to do, you just have to put in the details, okay? So you can see that you have creativity, regular, high, just keep it on regular, and now you just have to input what do you want to write about. You can see that you can explain what is your blog post about. You have to put in minimum 40 characters and a blog article explaining how copywriting can drive more traffic to your website. This is an example, but now I'm just gonna type in like a blog article that can explain, just let me type this out, that can explain how weight loss, for example, can improve your health. Now, you can just type like that. It's enough. Now, you just have to select the keywords, but the keywords are optional. You don't have to do them, but you can just type in, like for my example, it's going to be like weight loss, or maybe you can just put in fitness, and maybe you can just put in like health more. Then just click on next, and then you have to generate a post title, or you can write your own. You can generate title, just click on that, but you can see that we don't have sufficient credit amount for this. Now, Copymatic isn't free forever, but I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna show you how you can get the right amount of money so later you can even pay for Copymatic, which is gonna do the work for you, and you can sell that work for a lot of money. Just take a look at this. So for the first time, you have to click on I'll write my own. So you can just make a title like weight loss and health issues, for example. That's going to be good for our title. Click on next, and then the intro. Intro, you have to write something like which is related to your content, and you have to make these like subheadings, and you can just click on write my own, and then you can see that you have been redirected to the page. Now you can just add section below. You have headline, and you have more sections which you can add. So if I want to create this section, I can just type in like weight loss first. This is my headline, and then generate, and this will now write me perfect blog post for me, which I can sell for money. You can see it right in here. You have just wrote the title and this subheading, and I've got this. So there are many different ways to lose weight, and no one method is right for everyone. Blah, blah, blah. This is Copymatic.ai. This is the power of it. And then you can add section below, and then you can just add a title as well. You can just, like, for example, put in health issues with obesity, for example, and you can just click on generate, and you can see it in real time that it is gonna write the article for me. So it is gonna write this subsection, and you can see that this is a really good thing, guys. This is really good thing. And now what you can do is you can just go and you can copy this article, open, for example, Google Docs, go to Docs, open a blank new document, and then you can paste that in here and get yourself like this. And then you can download that as a PDF, or you can download that as a doc file, whatever you want to do. Now you are done with this. You have blog post, and it was done all for you. You just write the titles, okay? That's all that you have to do. And of course, you don't have to worry about that where you live. It doesn't matter where you live. Copymatic is working everywhere on the planet, okay? You can live in Asia, you can live in Africa, you can still make the money with it. And you can make a lot of money if you invest your time. And this is the one place where you can sell those blog posts. This one is called SEO Clerks. And you can find a lot of offers in here, but you have to search for it right now. I'm just going to tell you how this works. You can type in blog post, okay? And you can see that a lot of people are doing these blog posts, and you can just do it like these people. And you can see that this person, for example, says that he will write 500 words, copywriting, article writing, blog post, and he offers to do that for $10. So SEO Clerks is a good place. It has a lot of traffic. But there is also this website which is called People Per Hour, okay? And if you search for offers and you just click to search for maybe blog posts or maybe article writers, you will see that a lot of people are doing that already. Just take a look at this girl. She will write a 400-word blog post or article, and she charges $30 for each one of those. And just take a look at the number of sales she already got, 2.8 thousand. Now, if we do simple math, 2.8 thousand times $30, guys. Now, just take a look at how much money this girl made. But of course, this hasn't happened in like one day or even 1 month. This was like years of work, okay? So that's like if she wrote one each day, so that's like 2.8 thousand days. But that's a lot of money, guys. If you just do one per day, that's $30 for you. Or maybe you can take a look at this guy. Actually, it's a girl. $30 each, 5.7 thousand sales, $30 each, and she sold that 5.7 thousand times. Now that's amazing amount of money, $171,000. But what I suggest is that for a start, when you make yourself an account on People Per Hour, just make your price lower, okay? Make your price lower, because that way you can get a lot of these reviews at the start. You can see that this girl actually, she's doing that for $15 per blog post, but you can go even lower at the start. You can put 5 or 10, so you get a lot of those reviews, and then you can increase the price later, okay? That's how you scale the business in this gig economy. And actually, you don't care how much money you're gonna get at the start, because this one is doing that for free. Later, you have to buy it, but it's not so expensive. It's like $20. So you can go and you can scale that pretty easy. Just go and take that action, guys. Just involve yourself, and the money is gonna come. I'll catch you.